Hello everyone, it's Juicy Floration Package. We specialize in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you pulp tray. Look at here. As you can see, it is very smooth on the surface, and on the other side it has mesh texture. And it is molded by all mold in this shape. It doesn't need to extra cost to make. And this pulp tray is made by Oilproof floor squeaking pulp with black toner. Of course, if you want to design other colors, you can provide Pantone color numbers for us. We can design it for you. In addition, there is a groove to place the product. It is have a good holding effect to the product, so it is play a good role in fixing the product. In addition, our products have achieved zero pollution, zero emission, and zero addition in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. To achieve the concept of environmental protection, the important thing is that it degrades within 3 months. If you want to design a unique pulp tray package, welcome to contact with us and to get a free sample. Thank you for watching. Bye.